In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from a Trello board. If you're cleaning up access, reorganizing your team, or wrapping up a project, removing someone from a board is quick and ensures your workspace stays secure and tidy. You'll want to be signed into your Trello account, and in most cases, you'll need to be a board admin to remove members. Let's walk through it together. Start by heading to Trello.com in your browser and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, open your workspace and look for the boards view. You can get there from the sidebar or the top navigation depending on your layout. This page shows all the boards you have access to, making it easy to find the one you want to edit. Choose the board where you want to remove someone and click to open it. Give the page a second to load so all the board controls appear at the top. You're looking for the share button in the upper right area of the board header. In some layouts it may say invite, but it serves the same purpose. It opens the panel where you manage who has access. Click share to open the sharing and members panel. Here you'll see a list of everyone who currently has access to the board, along with their roles. Find the person you want to remove. Next to their name you should see a small drop down, 3 dots, or a role selector. Click that to open the options for that specific member. From the drop down, choose remove from board. Trello may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm to finalize the change. The person will immediately lose access to the board. Their previous activity, like comments and card history, stays intact, so your project history remains complete, but they'll no longer be able to view or edit anything on this board. A few tips before you finish up. If the person is assigned to cards, consider reassigning those cards to a current team member so nothing falls through the cracks. If you don't see the option to remove someone, you likely don't have admin permissions on the board, so reach out to a board admin to make the change. Also note that removing someone from a board doesn't remove them from your workspace entirely. It only affects this board's access. And that's it. You went to Trello, opened your board, used the share panel to find the member, and selected remove from board. Simple, clean, and secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.